Try ko lang mag-vlog. And to hopefully they cannot hear outside because they're here trying to catch up something. Or they don't know to we're hearing and they can so yeah, try nga ako mag-vlog. Welcome to puti na naman yung ipin ko. Ayaw pa lang toothbrush. Yeah, humati na naman. Ayaw na lang maniwala sa akin. They're like why do you guys don't believe it's the inside, you know? And yeah, I pay for it. It just, you know, I pay for it. Yeah. Welcome to my vlog. Ang pangit mo ngayon, lagong preparation. Maganda yung isa. Yeah, this is where it came. The life. Mantilam-tilam. May mga dangkap sila guys. Hindi na ako mag-iingay. So yeah. Welcome to my vlog for today. Maganda yung ginawa ko guys because it's really good. Like I don't know, not just influence in my head. Putting my hair. Move. Yeah. And there is not just. Ayun, pero pwede ko itong gamitin. Mantilam-tilam. Okay. Maganda yung isa. I really know guys. So I won't tell, okay? So next time I won't tell and I don't know this. And I won't tell where if this is good, if this is bad, or if this is nothing, or this is, you know. And mantilam-tilam. Ew. Diba? Ayaw niyang maniwala. Wala akong alam. I just work on it. And then boom. Like I don't know. Like exactly what I actually deciding or action. Wala akong alam sa action ko guys, okay? And just let that. Ano ba ganun ako guys? Yeah, I can just hold it. I can really like control. Nakikita nila tatawa. Hindi ko na siya mag-control. Yeah, I'm not that before. Hindi ako ganun na. I don't really move. I even don't show my lips. I don't show my tongue or move this. Yeah, don't move. May lamok. Nakikinig sila. Saan hindi ako narinig sa labas. And one day, it moved. Gumagalaw pala yan. Yeah, wala akong alam. Gumagalaw. Parang ko siya na-notice kasi hindi talaga yung gumagalaw. I even don't. Hindi ako may ng ganun. Nagtry ako dati kumbaho. Hindi naman pala kumbaho ngayon. Yeah, but I'm not that. Like, alam mo yun, nagaganon. Hindi ako mahilig magbasa ng labi. Or even come out my lips, my tongue. Because, you know, I keep that because I see. Like, you know, like, yeah. Lalabas pala siya. Hindi ko alam. And then my lips, nagbago na siya ngayon. Nakikita na nila. I try but alright. Nagbago talaga siya. Napapansin ko. Nagmanga na ako. Yeah. Ganyan. Lalangawin talaga. Buti walang pumapasok na langaw. Iniisip ko ngayon, ano kayo pagpasukan niya ng langaw? Nagkaganon na talaga ngayon. Gumagano ako. Ganyan. Alam, parang isang sanggol. Alam mo yung ganun. Nakikita ko lang. Ganun siguro yung, alam mo yung inner, I don't know, just like that. I see. But maybe just in my head. Nakikita ko kasi siya, guys. Ganyan siya gumalaw. Yeah. So, might in my head. Then if you know, then this is. So, just let you. Talaga siya gumagalaw. Ngayon, lumalabas talaga yung dila ko, guys. Lumalabas siya. And then, gano'n ako ngayon. Ganon. Pagpasukan niya ng langaw. Oh my God. Yeah. Tsara, hindi naman siya pasukan ng langaw, no? Nagkagano, I don't know how long. Hindi ko alam kung mawawala to. Or gano'ng katagal. But this is good. Yeah, that's really exactly sure that this is good. Yeah, gumalaw lahat. Oh my God. As in, ano mo yung para kang sanggol, ano yung bagong panganak, ganun. Parang it's just my head, and you know, then yun talaga di ko siya mapigilan, guys. Tatawa ako, tapos basta, yeah. Then yung dila ko lumalabas, ito gumagano na ganyan. Yeah. Then yeah, kailangan ko siyang galawin. Ito hindi lang kasi talagang gumagalaw to. Ito kailangan ko siyang galawin. As in, hindi lang lumalabas or nagkaganon. Alam mo yung sanggol, ganun. I don't know, this is my hair, but I get it. Ito kailangan ko siyang galawin. Paano gumalaw? Ganun. Ganun talaga. Ganito ba yan? Ganito ba yung sanggol? Like, alam mo, nakikinig sila. Yeah. So, yung gumagalaw, hindi ko na siya makontrol, even hold it. I just let it. Di ko alam balang araw. Ganun na siya. Yeah, oh my God. Like, yeah. Nakikita na siguro, di ko na siya makontrol. Nakikita na siya. Yeah. I don't know if this is like, one day gonna be fully, like, normal siya. Yeah. So, yeah. Ito, kailangan ko siyang galawin talaga. Not just, no, dapat sa ilalim talaga. As in, ito, kailangan ko itong galawin. Ito, kailangan ko siyang galawin. Yeah. Ito, gumagalaw to. Right in here, inside, you know, basta ganyan. I don't know how long this is, but if I have to keep it, I hold it, you know, control, make for this is gonna, end up why it need to show, right? So I don't know, this is how long, or yeah, this is gonna be fully come out. But it's yun na. Yeah. Nakikinig sila, guys. They hearing. Ako, naririnig ako dyan. Yeah. As in, alam ko talaga now if you're in here really. And even this is, that's my in here. Kahapon ata. Yeah, in here. And then, really, I knew it. Like, wala, you're bad. Like, oh, you're good. Like, oh, just like that. Yeah. Ito. Napansin ko lang siya kahapon. Yeah. And then, yeah, ito. Right in here. And then, I'm not gonna fully, more than you know that, right? So, yeah, dumagdag siya right in here. Welcome to my vlog. Ang aking business, Lana, iniwan. My business is really far disease because yeah, I'm on my beauty and the youngerness on beauty and hungerness on where is this mushroom myself be right there, like I'm really lower as I run, then yeah, so elsewhere I don't know, like exactly sure, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, ay makikita niya talaga yan. Meron pala akong niya talaga, kahit sarili ko may nakikita ko, guys. Inuugmaran ako. Oh my God. Meron ako tinilang yung I'm not gonna completely exactly. Meron akong how do I picture na lang. Nakita ko siya. I don't know. I think twice na siya. Natingnan ko. And then how do I this to say? As in talaga. Yeah. As in, so ko lang mo talaga yung bago, hindi na siya pwede, hindi ko na siya pwedeng gawin yun. Kaya, as in, naugmaran. Ay, napansin ko 2 beses. As in, ewan ko kung nagkataon lang siya, but babaguhin ko siya kasi hindi siya talaga maganda. Yeah. So, kahit yung sarili ko, kailangan ko ng bagay na pag nakikita na, diba, inaano niyo yun, ang tawag niyan, nire-review, diba, bago yun i-post. So, nakita ko 2 beses, pero baka nagkataon. Alright, may nararamdaman ako, alam mo yun, hindi maganda, like, ugmad na lang, yeah, darahog. So, yeah, kahit yung sarili ko, kailangan ng baguhin, guys, kaya, baka nagkataon lang kasi 2 beses talaga yun. And then, yeah, as what I knew is that no way! Yeah, magbabago na ako. Buka na tayo nitong nakakaano pala yun, nakakaugmad pala yun. Nakikita na ako, hindi ko alam, nakikita ko. Nakakaugmad pala yun. Ibabagayin ka na. I don't know one day if pag nakita ko 2 beses talaga, then yeah, there's not good, right, when I see. So, yeah. Let's say darahog na lang. Yeah, ugmad. Just like that. Totoo pala to. Yung mga nakikita ko or nakita ko, yeah, I just didn't understand it. Wala akong alam, so I don't know this. But gladly that I have this understanding, for when we get old, we're like that type, right? So yeah, so yan. Pag nakita ko, hala, ipopost ko yun. Dalawang beses talaga nag-review ko. Like, what? It's the same. Like, yeah. Let's say, ugma na lang laraw. Okay? Hindi talaga kayo alam. I know. Okay, and I hope you guys knew that. So, yun.